Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing my new lens that I bought for the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. I decided to go with the PERGEAR 50mm 1.8, so equivalent on the full frame would be 100. And yeah, let's have a look in the box so you can see what it's like, and then at the end of the video I will include a few video clips so you can see what it looks like. So it comes in this little bag, which is good. So if you want to transport it somewhere, you do have a little case. It's just this sort of rubbery, like a wetsuit material fabric, and it's got a little drawstring, as you can see. So I'll just get that lens out, and comes packaged in a little bit of bubble wrap, just for extra security. And the bag's got a little sort of clip that you can hook onto something, and as I mentioned, the drawstring just to keep the lens safe in there. All right, we'll have a look at the lens now. So I believe it's a metal construction from what I understand. It certainly feels like it is metallic. The cap fell off there. Don't know why it wasn't on securely. Had the same thing with the Blackmagic, it wasn't on quite right, so I don't know, maybe that's the way the factory comes out of the factory. Anyway, there's your sort of aperture and focus rings. That there is the lens hood, which is sort of a really strange shape, and that lens cap needs to come off for that to go on. I wasn't sure which way it was going there, but yeah, it's got these sort of holes in it. I don't know what the idea is there with the light, but yeah, it's okay, and it's quite good for protection as well. I think that's made out of metal from what I can see as well, so it does give that extra level of protection if you don't have a filter on it. So there's a bit of a closer look at the markings. So you've got the aperture ring closest to you, and the focus ring is towards the outside, so closer to the subject. There's the glass, and let's have a look at the back. It's a micro four thirds design, this one, but I believe they come in a few different mounts. Can't remember which ones, but I think there is a APS-C one, and I think the Fuji as well. So yeah, there's different choices there in the mounts. I'm just putting the lens cap back on, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's seems to be quite a good lens. It's fully manual, so no autofocus. It can't focus at all automatically, so it's all has to be done by hand. So I'll leave you there, and I'll just leave you with a few pictures, video footage.